In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $100 per day using high-ticket items for affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you why it is better than selling lower-priced items from platforms such as ClickBank, for example, and I'm going to show you what you need to be successful with this method. On top of that, I'm also going to give you a bonus, and I'm going to show you how you can get $1,000 worth of affiliate marketing courses from different 7- and 8-figure affiliate marketers. Hey there, Jacques van der Merwe here from Social Info Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, we have a guest talking about our topic of the day on affiliate marketing. But before I tell you more about our guest, listen up. If you keep watching, there will be a random code displayed like this at any time during the video. And if you send me that random code, then I'll send you a special gift. Now my gift to you is a bundle of courses by different 7- and 8-figure affiliate marketers worth $1,000. And if you apply what you learn in these courses, it will help you become more successful in your own affiliate marketing efforts. There will be a link in the description right below this video that you can use to submit the code. Also in the description below this video, you'll find a link that will take you to my page where you'll see how I save at least $5,000 a year by not using Clickfunnels for my sales funnels, Aweber as an autoresponder, Bluehost as a web hosting company, and a few others. And lastly, before I hand you over to our guest of the day, if you are interested in making money online, affiliate marketing, and working from home, then subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and that way you can be notified when next I upload a new video. Okay, so our guest today is Brian Brewer. Brian is a very successful affiliate marketer. He's one of my mentors, and I respect his opinion and his advice. And Brian has been doing affiliate marketing since 2012, I believe, and finally resigned his job in 2016 to pursue affiliate marketing as a full-time business. So with that said about Brian, let's hear what he has to say.
Hey guys, Brian here. Listen, if you want to make $100 a day online, what you have to do is you have to stop thinking about making $100 a day online. Now, some of you might be thinking I took my crazy pills. And don't worry, this is not one of those cheesy woo-woo-woo mindset videos. Like, if you want to make the money, you got to forget about making the money. Okay, that's not what I'm talking about here. Let me show you this really quickly here. I'm going to go pull up a screen. So if you can see this, hopefully we can get this to focus. That is, in the last 30 days, $3,800, $3,804.33. And in the last 7 days, $1,385.99. So if you do the math, that's more than $100 a day. But let me show you something that's kind of even more interesting, and I don't think people show you this very often. Let me see if we can focus in on this. That's $2.80 for today. That does not equal $100 a day. Now, today's early. It's only 10 o'clock in the morning, but the point is that may not hit $100 today. That may stay at $2.80. It might go up a little bit. It might go up a lot. But that's the thing about making $100 a day online if you're going to do something like affiliate marketing. Now, this is just one of many products that I promote, but as you can see here, it's already making me $100 a day, actually a little bit more. Now, the cool thing about this program is I anticipate that it's going to scale to probably $10,000 a month, maybe $20,000 a month before the year's out, as long as I keep putting in the effort. And if you want to know exactly how I do what I do there for this specific affiliate program, make sure you subscribe to this channel and take a look at the other videos on this channel and hit bell notifications. That way you get notified when I do release a new video for this channel. Because this video and this channel are all designed to help you make more money online with programs just like these. But let's get back to the $100 a day. The reason this comes out to $100 a day over the long run, but today, for instance, I only made $2.80 is because this is high ticket affiliate marketing. And that's the key. That's the difference between people who make a lot of money with affiliate marketing and people who don't make too much money at all. You see, a lot of beginners, when they think about affiliate marketing, they're drawn or they're pulled towards something like ClickBank. And if you haven't heard of ClickBank, don't worry. I'm not going to recommend ClickBank, but if you have, you know it's a digital product marketplace. A majority of their products pay high commissions, meaning 75 to 90% of the total sale. But for the most part, most of the products are less than $100. So a lot of the commissions on products that are sold on ClickBank fall in the $20 to $50 range. Now, if you're sitting towards the lower end, let's say you earn $25 in commissions for each sale that you make. That means you have to make 4 sales every single day to make your $100 a day. Now, you might hit that on some days, you might do a lot more, or you might do a lot less. But the bottom line is you have to hit those 4 sales every single day to hit your goal of $100 a day. However, when you do high ticket affiliate marketing, like the program I just showed you, okay, I don't deal with $25 commissions. Sure, I deal in small $2.80 commissions, but those are what are called tripwire offers, front end offers. All the real money is made on the back end. You see, what that means is this programs just like these, they have high ticket value ladders. So really what's happening here is I'm not too concerned about the $2.80 commissions that I make. I get people into the ecosystem of the product that I'm promoting very easily because there's a very low commitment for something like that. It's a high value offer at a low price point. But what that allows this company to do is to promote high ticket offers on the back end. That way, when someone buys, it could be today, it could be next week, it could be next month, it could be next year. But when they buy those high ticket products, that's when I earn those high ticket commissions. So to make $100 a day, if I'm earning $1,000 commission, let's say like this program, well, I only have to make 3 sales a month to hit that $100 a day goal because that's $3,000 over the month. And that's how you have to think about making $100 a day if you want to do so passively as a side hustle. Because if I didn't already mention it, I'm actually not the one doing the selling. Once I get them into the ecosystem with the tripwire offer, they sell on my behalf. And when they sell one of those high ticket products, they make their cut, but I get my cut too. So the only thing I have to focus on is driving traffic to the low ticket front end offers. That's the key to making $100 a day. That's the key to making $10,000 a month. That's the key to passive income. And that's the key to making a lot of money with affiliate marketing. Now, if you want to learn more about this business model, this high ticket affiliate marketing business model, and how you can use free traffic sources or even paid traffic sources to make a passive income, make sure you go ahead and check out the first link in the description below this video, or just check out other videos on this channel because they teach you how to do this on this channel. But if you want to get started as soon as possible or learn more about this particular program and this particular high ticket affiliate marketing business model that I do, once again, you can find that link in the description below this video. And that's where you're going to learn the framework of the business model that allowed me to quit my job in 2016, allows me to earn $100 a day or more, and it can allow you to earn the passive income stream that you want. It's going to show you how to set your affiliate marketing business, your high ticket affiliate marketing business up in 15 days or less. So sincerely hope you go out there and make your $100 a day or more, whatever your goal is. Make sure you subscribe. We'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Bye now.